Welcome to this year's Easter craft. My name is Father Jonathan Wright, and this year we're making a bead cross necklace or perhaps a bracelet, however you want to wear it. So you're going to need for this craft at least 6 beads, and I've put them on a plate. Now you could have any colour of beads that you like, and we'll look at how you can develop it a bit later on. You're going to need a piece of string to thread them onto. It needs to be thin so that you can get them through the holes in the bead. And you're going to need some glue, or I'm using glue dots because they're a bit easier and a bit quicker. So the first thing we need to do is make the cross piece. And what you do is you take whatever bead's going to be in the centre and you make sure you get your glue dots or your glue, press it on like so. There we are. And then you just press on sideways the one you're attaching it to. So there we are, that's one bit. Then we take another glue dot. These are quite sticky. There we are. Here's the second glue dot. Brilliant. We're going to take the other bead. Now you need to make sure that these two side beams of the cross, they are pointing in the same direction. That's essential, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so we can put that down. If you're using glue, you're probably going to have to wait a few hours until that's all ready to go. So the next thing we're going to do is thread on the bead that's going to be the bottom. So we're going to use this pink one, and that goes all the way through. Level it up really nicely like that. So next, then we're going to put on the bead that's going to be one above. We need to thread both pieces of string through at the same time. This can be a bit tricky, so you might need to ask your adult to help you. There we are. So that's here. Now we need to thread on our cross piece. So we put one string through one side, like so, and we put the other string through the other side. There we are. Oh, try not to get it stuck on the sticky bits, otherwise that will really slow it down. Here we are. So there we are. Now we've just got one more bead to put on. So, and this is going to have to go through both of them again. Here we are. So that goes onto there. Now what you need to do is you need to tie an overhand knot. You do this just so that they all stay in the right place and you don't lose any of them. So press them down so they're in the way that you want them, like so. And then just wrap it round your finger and take the rest of the cord through. Now what you'll have to do is you're just going to have to wiggle it so that that knot is as close to the top of the cross as possible. Brilliant. Now, Martha made one earlier. Would you like to come and show us, Martha, the one that you made? So let's bring it into camera here. And you see Martha put on some lovely beads on the side, made it a bit more jolly as well. So perhaps if you've got some beads, you could do that too. Thank you very much, Martha. I'll let you all sit with Mummy. Brilliant. So we've made a bead cross. Why have we made a bead cross? Well, yesterday was Good Friday. And on Good Friday, what do Christians remember? They remember that Jesus was crucified. He was put to death on a cross. And after he was died, he's taken down from the cross and they put him in the grave. And then beginning tonight, Holy Saturday, what do we remember? Jesus is risen. And on Easter Day, we have a big celebration. So we remember that the cross that Jesus died on, it looked like it was the end of everything. It looked like it was really sad. But in fact, Jesus rose. And so Christians use the symbol of the cross both to remind ourselves of what happened on the cross, all that terrible pain, but also that death couldn't defeat Jesus. God is life. So we as Christians use the empty cross to remind ourselves of the hope that we have when we believe in Jesus and we believe in his resurrection, that we can have that life with God now and in the age to come. So you can use your bead cross to tell other people about the good news of Jesus. I hope you enjoy making it and telling your friends about who Jesus is and why Easter is so special for Christians. Have fun.